The community at Movo sent me this beautiful shotgun Supercardioid microphone. They sent me the X1, and I'm super excited because this is going to be my travel shotgun microphone. You know, shotgun microphones are everywhere. In fact, the FX3 here that is recording me has a shotgun mic on it. I have another shotgun mic here. They're everywhere. If you want to upgrade your level, right, as a content creator, shotguns, microphones have to be in your arsenal. This is beautiful. Look, this is built with everything in mind for this traveling content creator that is out there, influencer that is out there on the road doing content. Let's open it up so that you see what comes in there. It's beautiful. So all the promo, and now let's look at this. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Check it out. This is how it comes. The case is like a hard case. It's really nice. And this set comes with several mounting options. It comes with a tripod, and it comes also for you can put it on the hook. So this is the, I'm leaving the best for last. This is the tripod, and this of course extends. You can add this, right, and extend it and make it taller. And now this is, oh, this head is really nice. Check it out. It looks like it's a professional head, wall head. Okay, and you put that here, right? Yeah, wow, this is beautiful tripod as it is. As by itself, it's a beautiful tripod. If you wanted to use it, right here on the table. So now let's go to the bread and butter here, to what we really want to. Oh my God, the microphone. And it comes with a pop filter. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautifully made. Let me take the pop filter out so you can take a look at it, so you see how beautiful this is made. And it's made out of metal. They took care of all the details here. This look like every professional, right? And this is not a comparison video, but it looks exactly like all the other professional brands that I have here in my studio. It's beautiful. It's great. It's metal. The Supercardioid. So for those of you that don't know about what the shotgun does, is that the Supercardioid shape, it only gonna pick up what happens in the front, right? So wherever you point, that's why it's called shotgun, but because wherever you point, this point right here, this wherever you point this, that's where it's gonna pick up. It's gonna pick up audio, not only close by, but you can, there's different kinds of shotgun mics that can pick up sound from far away. So you see them with this parabolic shell with the shotgun in the middle, and it picks up sound from far away. So you can concentrate the sound, right? You can point out what you want to hear, and it will isolate the noises around. And what's great about it is that it has it has high pass filters plus a pad, DB pad. So if it's too loud, it's going to isolate, and it's going to lower 20 dBs so that you can get a better sound quality. So this, and it does it automatically. These shotgun mics are amazing. At least this one has that. This one is you got USB-C connectivity, and it has a headphone jack so that you can listen to it so that you can monitor the sound. What else? Now, this is the cable for connection, and then nice, it comes with a nice horseshoe mount so that you can put it on top of a camera, and I'll show you how pretty it looks on top of a camera. Let's do this. Let's because it comes with the cat tail. This is funky, right? So if you're outside in the wind, you're going to protect the microphone with this pop filter, right? So you do like this, right? This is the front. You go like this, and then I guess you put this in there, right? Yeah. And now you have the cat tail, like they call it, right? And now this wind, the wind is not, it's gonna protect it, right? But let's just do it with the pop filter, because I mean it looks cool, but so now the way that you put it together, right, is you come here, right, and you mount it, you put it on the mount, right? And you gotta be very careful with this, right? The mount has extra padding, has to not scratch the surface of the microphone itself, so you be very careful. And let me show you how it looks. Really nice. You know, of course you want it to pick up sound well, but you also want it to look cool, right? And this looks super cool. So that you can visualize it, right? So that you can see how it works. Let's put it on a camera, right? I have another camera here, and let's close this just here, and let's put it on the camera so that we can see how it looks, right? There you go. And then you tighten it here. There you go. You see? So then you have the microphone, and wherever you point this it's gonna pick up that sound, right? And let's say you're interviewing, you're talking to people on the streets, you're recording a sports events. It's going to record the sound and isolate everything else with this microphone. This is what this microphone is, right? And it looks super cool. Now, how do you connect it to the camera? It comes with an adapter I saw here. This is an XLR connection that comes included. So everything that I'm showing you here comes included, right? And this is made out of metal. This is really, really well made. And it goes to this connection, and I bet that cable is in here, right? You go to from 1/8, comes with the cable to 1/8, right? So then if this is connected to a camera, a professional camera, a prosumer camera that has an XLR entrance, you have this ready. So did I look at everything? Oh no, there's more cables here. And it comes with this USB-C to C cable. This looks beautiful. Thank you very much at the guys at Movo. And then what I'm gonna do, wow, this looks beautiful. What I'm gonna do next, another video to do the audio comparison. I just wanted you to see how beautiful it is, the workmanship of this microphone, and I wanted you guys to see what comes in the box. And everything here is thought of. Look, you can, even the mounting, let me show you how cool this mounting is, because you could use it of course in the camera, but also you could put it here, right? See? So it's versatile, right? Say that you want to use it in your home studio, right? So now you're in your home studio. There you go. and then you connect it to a mixer, right? Or connect it to your whatever recording software you're using, right? Usually these microphones, they require phantom power. I'm not sure what the specs of this is yet, because I'm just unboxing it, but I'll be using it these days, and then on the next video I will let you know what I think about the sound quality of this. But Movo, they are a community, so this is not a product that comes out of nowhere. It's a product that is inspired by content creators and made for content creators, and I want to thank them for sending it to me. And you'll see a video very soon with the review of the sound quality of this beautiful microphone that I'm sure is going to blow me away. See you the next time.